Most people think ChatGPT just writes text, but with Agent Mode, it can actually run parts of your business. Imagine an AI that checks your MLS every week, drafts seller updates, logs them into your CRM, schedules showings, and even sets tasks for your team automatically. That's not the future. That's today. Here's the problem. Running a business means drowning in admin. Agents spend hours writing seller updates, tracking deals, sending follow-ups, and building newsletters. What if all that busy work just disappeared? That's exactly what Agent Mode does. With the right prompt, you can tell it, check MLS and draft a seller report with showings, views, and market data. In minutes, you've got a polished update ready to send, saving you hours every week. Or try this. Whenever a new lead comes in, categorize them, draft a follow-up email, and set a reminder task in my CRM. Now your speed to lead is instant, and you never miss a client opportunity. Need help scheduling? Just say, plan Saturday. Showings for these 3 buyers. Agent Mode finds the times, maps the route, and sends out calendar invites. And marketing, draft and schedule a monthly market newsletter. It writes it, loads it into Mailchimp, and even tracks engagement. The best part? You don't have to know code. Agent Mode connects with tools you already use. HubSpot keeps your pipeline and tasks organized, Zapier links your automations, and Mailchimp handles your newsletters. It's like hiring a full-time assistant that works 24/7, except it costs pennies and you don't have to train it. Think about it. Seller updates that take 2 hours on a Sunday night now take 5 minutes. Lead follow-ups that used to slip through the cracks are instant. Team task setting that usually requires a manager is done automatically. Marketing campaigns that take days are ready in under an hour. That's not hype. That's just using the right prompt. Agent Mode doesn't just write words, it runs workflows. That means you can run your business like it's 10 times bigger without drowning in admin. If you want the exact prompts that will save you hours starting today, I put them in a free one-sheet you can download right here on the channel. And subscribe if you want more ways to put AI to work in your business.